What we have here are the textile bench mount grinders. We have two different models. This is model number one. This here is just has sharpening, and then it just has a normal grinding stone on the left-hand side. So you can use that for whatever you need to, or you can use it for your tungsten. Both this captures the dust. Both this unit and this unit are basically the same. The only difference is this side here has a cutting apparatus on it, to where you can actually put your tungsten on there, and you can cut things to equal length, or you can cut tungsten, and I'll show you how all this works right here in a minute. So basically, you got two grinders. This one's a little less expensive than this one, you know, because it just has the stone. How it works is, just like any grinder, you turn it on, you take your tungsten and you put it through here, and you spin it 360 degrees. Now there's a window up top, so you can actually see your tungsten grinding. You can actually see the edge. All right. You can adjust your angle by loosening this and turning this to whatever angle you prefer. Once you get it set, you just lock it down. On the side here, if you come around here, you can see that there's flattening holes, so you can actually come in here and flatten your tungsten, put a flat on it. The other collets for different sizes. Now this unit will go from 1/16 tungsten to 5/32 tungsten. All you have to do is basically take this collet out and pull one here off the side, whichever size you're doing, insert it in here, put the other one back in the storage area, and you move on to whatever size you're doing. It also has a cutting device, which is pretty slick. It's spring loaded. You just pull it down, put your tungsten in there. You have a stop here if you are cutting things at the same length, or you want to cut things at the same length. All you do is, you got a spring loaded stop, bring her up, and she cuts. Alright, so there you have. You can cut pieces off at the same length by setting your stop, or you can cut long pieces, short pieces, whatever your application requires. So now basically what I can do is I can go back in here after I cut her off. I gotta reset my angle a little bit because I got it off. Alright, we got a real tight short taper on that now. So you saw the first one I did had a long taper. This has a short taper. So you're actually able to by setting this angle, you can pretty much do whatever angle you'd like. So basically you have two different bench mount grinders. The dust is collected here when you're grinding down into the bottom. You take it off, and there's a chamber where your dust stays, so you can take it out of there and dispose of it in whichever way you dispose of it. Very easy to use, very durable. Replacement parts are not over the top expensive like some of the other models. Call if you have any questions. Thank you.